on, Luigi!
Autobots, roll out.
No!
What do you mean?
No!
I was gonna catch a movie with...
My boy.
No, we gotta get moving. Eggman's attacking.
My boy.
Gotta go fast!
It is important to battle Eggman.
Great. See? Let's go.
No!
Let's go. We can't bring you to a battle.
Oh, I can't.
My boy.
He come.
Yeah, why can't I come?
You're just a...
Boy.
Just a...
Boy.
I think you've said enough already.
My boy.
You've said enough already.
Shut up!
Gotta go fast! Gotta go fast!
Well, gotta go.
Telegram for Amy Rose.
Amy, what is it?
For this year's Most Selfless Award.
Ooh, let me see. Oh, wait, I can't read.
Give me that. So, while you're gone, you're gonna need a house sitter, huh?
No!
Come on, Amy, let us stay here.
No!
Come on, Amy.
No!
Come on, Amy.
No!
Come on, Amy, let us stay here. Come on, Amy, let us stay here.
No!
I want to watch cable.
Fine, but only because I am extremely selfless.
Be a guy. Yeah!
Wanna do something?
Gay!
You even have to ask.
And his name is John C.
Nacho! It's okay. It's just a small stain, but there's grape soda. It's okay.
Shut up!
You soaked it. You better take it outside to dry in the sun.
Bruh.
Oh, man, Amy, me and Knuckles totally destroyed your couch.
Gotta go fast!
Sonic,
You're pretty.
Cause there's you and me and all other people with nothing to do.
Shut up!
Oops, one too many.
hey Tails. See you later.
No!
Don't worry, pal. You're about to be enrolled in the Sonic School of Impressing the Ladies.
Shut up!
You're about to be enrolled in the Sonic School of Impressing the Ladies.
But I thought this was going to be a Sonic and Knuckles episode.
Or Nacho Break!
You got no game, kid. Let me help you. Just be confident in your own pelt. And for Pete's sake, ditch the feathers.
Kneel before sword.
Sorry, Nux, but I gotta do this.
But I thought this was going to be a Sonic and Knuckles episode.
No!
That's cool. No, dude! Oh, manly! You gotta lift weights. Lift weights.
Let me write that in my Hello Doggy journal.
No, dude!